Hello, I'm Navindu from Sri Lanka. I'm a student of SPbGASU State University of Architecture and Civil Engineering in third year. I came to Russia thanks to the government scholarship program and I selected GASU after researching about the best architecture university in Russia. First year I studied in preparatory course where I studied Russian language and other important terminology to study architecture. Even after that, it was not easy to understand teachers, but we got special attention from them and also from the friendly staff at the International Affairs Office and solved all the questions that I faced. First few months in Russia for me is like episode in Stargate. Culture, language, customs and traditions, everything is new. It's exciting. Every day I face something amazing, especially with food. I miss ocean and spicy food, but I found that I love snow, skiing and skate already. I also love summer and autumn because it brings new energy to the city, and also we skate and go camping with my roommates and make barbecue. It's so fun. One more thing that is interesting to do is market building. We use computer models and make real life houses and buildings. If we make a good project, now we can 3D print in our university. In addition to that, we study important subjects like methodology, typology, architecture, structure, construction, and each semester we learn one computer software like AutoCAD, 3D Max, ArchiCAD and Revit. We also have to complete 2 projects in each semester. In architecture design, I have already learned how to design and complete projects like individual house, apartment buildings, general planning of village, and right now I am working on designing interior for apartment. In university, I am an active member in the Foreign Student Union, in which I got a chance to participate in a lot of interesting events in different cities in Russia. Also, I made so many foreign friends and we practice Russian and organize different events in our university. I am also a member in volunteer group and movie club. On Tuesday and Thursday, after lectures, I go for chess practices as I am a member of our university chess team. There are so many interesting things to do in GASU. It's really interesting to study here.